This is the Kemppi AX robotic welding system built off the familiar X5 FastMig platform. And the difference here is that it has the AX module on top, which is used to communicate with the robot. On the bottom of the stack, you have your water cooler, and then the X5 FastMig, and then the AX module. And then the offer would also include either a 15 kilo spool holder or a drum of wire. And then you have your robotic wire feeder, which looks very familiar to your manual welding wire feeders. Has 4 drive rolls with tension knobs, and you would just change the drive rolls according to the wire type and diameter that you're using. In this case, the robot is set up for aluminium welding. This is the Binzel water-cooled robotic torch, shown here with an extended torch neck. And just like your manual welders, it has standard front-end consumables. So there's really nothing different between this and a manual welding torch. You've still got your gas nozzle, your contact tip and diffuser. And then as an option, you could go with a on-torch fume extraction nozzle here, where the fumes get sucked up just above the gas nozzle, and then you'd connect this to your fume extraction hose. And just as a comparison, I've got the standard short robotic torch neck shown here, which you get from a lot of other integrators. As you can see here, there's quite a bit of difference in the length of the torch necks. So you'd get less reach and less accessibility with this kind of neck as compared to a longer neck. And that's why we've provided you with the longer neck on your cobot.